The Department of Defense has issued an Easter Bunny Bandit alert for the entire United States until further notice. The Easter Bunny Bandit has an evil plan to steal all of your Easter eggs and baskets from all of your homes. If you see him, make sure you have extra spare chocolates to guard them from any Easter eggs that may have been found or your baskets. The Easter Bunny Bandit happened to be known as the Easter Bunny's evil twin brother according to the bunny himself. If you try to cause him any trouble, he will kidnap you and then take you to a secret lair and put you to death. Could this be the end of the world? Possibly. Oh, and happy Easter.